Hello everyone and welcome to Stacks FX. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what NFP is and how to approach the market when trading high impact news. NFP is one of the major fundamentals that most traders get excited for alongside CPI and FOMC. Personally, I don't trade news, but I do pay attention to my fundamentals daily so that my day-to-day trades aren't affected. What I have right now in front of me is Forex Factory. It's a website I use to notify me when fundamentals are going to be dropping day to day. So, okay, let's get to it. NFP, for those of you who don't know, stands for non-farm payroll, and it represents the number of jobs added over a monthly period. NFP is American news, so when it does drop, only the dollar would be affected. NFP occurs on the first Friday of the month. On NFP day, the markets move slowly during the day while waiting for volatility from NFP news to drop. NFP is scheduled for 2:30 p.m. So don't forget, NFP happens every Friday of the first Friday of the month, which is, as you can see today is the 5th of May. I'm hoping this video will drop today. So today is the 5th of May and we had NFP today at 2:30 p.m. As you can see on the screen right here, let me just show you. Right here, this is NFP that happened today. And you can see right here at 2:30 p.m. So as you can see, we have other news that happened, but right now we're just gonna be focusing on NFP. So okay, so don't forget NFP occurs on the first Friday of the month at 2:30 p.m. So that's when it happens. So if NFP news are positive, meaning the data is better than the previous month, all USD pairs and indices will buy. And if NFP news is negative, vice versa, all USD pairs and indices will sell. So what I mean by that is that if this month's NFP news is projected to be higher than the previous month, all USD pairs will buy. And if it's projected to be lower, all USD pairs will sell. So when trading during NFP, you should be really careful because what can I say? Trading during NFP can blow your account, but can also take your account onto another level, you know. So you just have to be careful and know what you're doing. You know, don't just hop into the markets. So, okay, that's it for NFP. As you can see on the screen right now, I've written down how to approach the markets using fundamental analysis. So, using fundamental analysis to approach the market, the first thing you're going to want to do is, as you can see here, is pick news events with high impact news. So, what I mean by that is that you're going to come to Forex Factory right here. Okay. And as you can see here on Forex Factory, this is red, right? You can see this red stands for high impact news. So once you can see on Forex Factory, there's different types of news. There's low impact, medium, I think, and then there's high. So you're always gonna want to trade using the high impact news because those are the news that actually affect the movement of the markets. So okay, as you can see, let's just say we're looking to trade NFP today. So we're gonna come back here, pick news with high impact news, right? So we're gonna come here, Forex Factory, look around. As you can see, USD here, NFP, right? USD. So we've identified the news, USD news, NFP. And then the next step is to find the currency pair that will be affected. So you go back to Forex Factory, and as you can see here, it always lets you know what currency pair will be affected. So as you can see here, NFP is what? USD. So if this over here was anything else, as you can see here with the employment change, let me just do this. Here with the first one with the employment change, you can see the currency pair that was affected was CAD, you know. So the Canadian dollar. So what you can see now, here it says find the currency pair that will be affected. Come back here, look at our NFP, and we can see it's USD. So now we know we're gonna trade what? Currency pairs that have USD in it. You check, or indices. So next up is trade major currencies that have more liquidity. So USD such as USD, Euro, and Yen. Those are like those are the major currency pairs that hold the most liquidity in the market. So we've decided that we're gonna trade what NFP and USD pairs. So under USD pairs, what we have is indices as well. So today I'm gonna be showing you with NAS 100. So once you've once you found the pair that will be affected, and it's actually one of these USD, Euro, or Yen, then from there you wanna apply your trading strategy. I don't know what your trading strategy is, but then that's where you're gonna apply it to the markets. So once you've applied your strategy, what I advise is that you look to scalp. Don't look to day trade or swing because the markets move fast, you know. So, because the markets move fast when news drops. So it's a thing of within a few minutes, price will push up high or, price will push down. So let's move down to the chart. So over here, I had already had an analysis, just to show you how you would have approached the market trading NAS today. So as you can see, let's see, around about here, this was 2:30. So this is when the news hit. So if you had this whole analysis before where you saw this price was in this downtrend, you ended up spotting this uptrend right here, and placing it. And you can also see this is support. Let me just remove this so you can see what I'm actually talking about. So let's just say you saw this. Then from there, you saw that you could draw a trend line from first touch, second touch, and third touch right there. And also by the third touch, what you can also see is that there's a support level okay, right there. So what you could have seen is that, okay, my entry could have been here. You see, and why would your entry be here? Your entry, based on your strategy, I have my own entry criteria. So I would enter around about here. So like that. So this is how you'd benefit from NFP. You enter there, place your stop loss. I don't know, maybe targeting this high here, like here. So that's how you would approach it. As you can see, so when NFP hit around about here, it was 2:30. NFP dropped and price just shot up. As you can see here, price just moved up. So that's it for fundamental analysis. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.